Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the basics that commonly break TLS. Set the device clock precisely and verify the time zone, because certificates rely on accurate time. Next, open the browser or client error and read the certificate name, issuer, and expiry to understand the mismatch or expiry cause. Once done, make sure you have administrator or sudo access to install certificates or update trust stores so you can proceed with the next corrective steps. Now run a chain test using OpenSol S Client or Inspect Network tab in browser to reveal missing intermediates or incorrect CN/SYN values. This tells you whether the server is serving a full chain. If intermediates are missing, retrieve the proper bundle from your CA and confirm private key and certificate match via fingerprint. Once verified, upload the correct cert bundle to the server, update the server config to reference them, and reload or restart the service. Finish by reloading the server and then testing from a browser and command line curl to ensure the chain, name, and expiry are correct. Use curl v or OpenSol to confirm. If you still see errors, clear client SSL caches and test from another device to rule out local trust issues. Make sure DNS resolves to the right host and there's no TLS intercepting proxy or firewall rewriting traffic. If all else fails, replace the certificate with one from a trusted CA and repeat tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.